Data restructuring, step 3. Now this is the most challenging aspect of writing the case because you've got to pull all this information together and weave it into a compelling story that will give students enough information to get stuck into the case and for it to connect to the key learning outcomes that you want. Essentially, there's two broad approaches which can be used in combination. The first one is to give a kind of summary of the situation. It's a kind of chronological sequence. In other words, the incident happened here at this time, and this is the information that we've got. We've got information from this, opinions from these people, and some photographic evidence of this and that. But the more subtle aspect of writing a case is when you write it a bit like a detective story, often referred to as the kind of plot approach. And this is where, again, you use the same data, you meet the same objectives, but you try to make it so that as the students are working through the case, suddenly new information comes into play that challenges assumptions, get them to look at it differently. And if you look at American, not just American, but very typically so, crime series, when there's a number of episodes, at the end of each, there's always a bait to capture your interest in the next episode. So if you write a case and you can build that in, that plot structure, it's really useful because it will bring out more interest for students. And remember that whatever approach you have with your case, just like the case itself, it must capture interest early. Remember the primacy effect.